To trade the Dow Jones Index, start by understanding what it is, which is a stock market index that measures the performance of 30 of the largest and most widely traded companies in the United States. The Dow Jones Index is often considered a benchmark for the overall performance of the U.S. stock market. First, choose a trading platform that offers access to Dow Jones Index futures or options, such as MetaTrader or Interactive Brokers. Open an account and deposit funds, making sure you understand the fees and commissions associated with trading. Next, learn about the different types of orders you can place, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order executes immediately at the current market price, while a limit order executes at a specified price. A stop-loss order automatically closes a trade if it reaches a certain price, limiting potential losses. Before placing a trade, analyze the market by looking at charts and trends. Use technical indicators such as moving averages and relative strength index to identify potential trading opportunities. Also, stay up to date with economic news and events that may impact the Dow Jones Index. To place a trade, log into your trading platform and select the Dow Jones Index futures or options contract you want to trade. Choose the type of order you want to place and specify the quantity and price. Make sure to set a stop-loss order to limit potential losses. As you trade, monitor your positions closely and adjust your strategy as needed. Keep in mind that trading the Dow Jones Index involves risk, and you can lose some or all of your investment. It is essential to have a solid understanding of the markets and trading strategies before risking real money. Finally, consider using risk management techniques such as diversification and position sizing to minimize potential losses. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, while position sizing involves allocating a specific amount of capital to each trade. By following these steps and staying informed, you can trade the Dow Jones Index effectively and make informed investment decisions.